Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows activation error 0xc004d302, then please watch this video. Now, mostly running the activation troubleshooter will fix this, and I'll show you what the activation troubleshooter is. So whenever you get the activation error, okay, you will notice that there is a troubleshoot option under it. Like you're getting the activation error here, you will notice that there is a troubleshoot option under it. I'll show you in a better example, the one in the highlight. So simply click on it and run it. But I don't have it because I don't face any issues with activation right now. But this is what you have to click. The next one is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The third solution is to run the check disk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk /r/f and hit enter. Now press Y and hit enter once again. The last solution is a system restore. And how would you perform a system restore on your computer? Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Choose a different restore point. Next, choose a good restore point. Click on next, finish, and then finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.